Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can repost or unrepost a video or photo on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, let me open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And Instagram guys has just launched a new feature called Repost feature, and this feature allows us to repost something just like on the TikTok. And I'm going to show you how we can repost something on Instagram. For example, I'm going to repost this photo. So we just need to click on this photo icon. I'm sorry, I mean the repost icon. And then the photo or the video will be automatically reposted. Okay. And wait, let me go to the Instagram search. And for example, I'm going to repost this video. So oops, sorry, we just need to click on this repost icon, and then the video will be reposted on our profile. And when you want to unrepost it, just click the same icon like this. However, guys, sometimes when I do scrolling on Instagram, I clicked the repost button accidentally, and sometimes I do not realize. And when I want to go back to the post or reels I have reposted, it has already gone. And when you have the same problem as me, guys, I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you the solution. So you just need to go to your profile icon. Okay, and then you can refresh your profile like this, and all the videos and the photos you have reposted on Instagram will appear on the repost section, okay, shown by this icon. All right, and these are the photos and the videos and the video I have reposted. And when we want to remove it, just click on it. Click on something that you want to unrepost, and then simply click on this repost icon. And then the video or the photo will be removed from the repost section. Okay, and I'm going to remove it. Oops. Okay. And then when you have removed all the reposted photos or videos, this icon will disappear from your profile. As you can see, I have already removed all the reposted photo and video. Okay, that's so simple. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.